everybody. We are getting quite some storms in near St. Francis County. I am Carson Meteorologist, and we're going to be looking at all this down here. We just got a alert from the Weather Center right here. That all that purple is going to be hitting into Missouri down here. We're going to be checking that out too. So let's go and check out down here. Alright, here's what's going to be coming for you way, Missouri, St. Louis. St. Louis, we're going to be looking out for all that purple. That's going to be the bad storms ever. Possibly a tornado watch. We are now already in a thunderstorm warning right now. So all that is thunderstorm Farmington down here somewhere. That's probably it right here. But we need to make sure that everything is all prepared and make sure we need to get everything going here. I'm trying to find Farmington here. So, right here, that's going to be the warning right here, and Poplar Bluff. You should got that alert from your phone because that's where it's going to hit from right here. St. Louis right here is going to take a few maybe thunderstorm warnings down up here, maybe down here too if everything we can. So we're going to take a look at St. Louis and see how St. Louis is going right now. Remember, those red mean really bad. Alright, let's take a look. Alright guys, we have our hazards out right now. We have all this afternoon, 30% chance, but no. It's still going to rain. 80% chance, that'll be tonight. So we will have a whole bunch of storms tonight. And that's the bad part of coming tonight. Thursday's fine. Thursday night, no. But 60% chance, yes. It will rain that day. Friday, it's pretty much going to be raining all week long, all the way to maybe Friday night. Friday night, it may rain, thunder, as it can see T-storms, and mostly clear after that. So it's not as what we look into, you know? So, is this going to be a good chance right here tonight? There is a flood watch warning. You guys should get that from your phones when we sent them out. So, right, the flood watch up there, and it will be cooler tonight from the storm, but it's not just the storm. It is going to cool that down. It's going to be raining at the same time, though. Alright? And while that cools down right here, alright. Let's take a look down here. Alright, you guys, we are here, and here's what we're seeing right now. That is not going to be a very good thing right here. Look, it goes up. It came from pretty much Kansas City all the way up to Missouri into Illinois, and right here we may get a tiny few little tornado watch in Missouri. Right here, yeah, up here, tornado watch, right there, right off the bat. So, we're going to be getting a little forming right here in St. Louis. So it's going to keep forming right here until it gets down to Cape Girardeau, Springfield, and down to Farmington, Missouri. Bowling Green over here with Bowling Green. You may get it, you may not. So we look at Bowling Green over here. There's Bowling Green down here. We're going to be looking at this. Not talking about over here, but it will go up to Illinois, actually, up there. Oh, it came from Kansas City, going up. It's going up to Illinois. In Quincy, that it's going to get hit by that little storm right here. But that right there, it's going to form into Quincy. Right here, that little spot right here is where it's going to form right on top of Quincy. Remember, we have a few tornado watch up here. Springfield is getting some. That means pretty much we may get a tornado watch, alright? We may get a tornado watch. So, me head back over here. Let's take a look down in these areas. Here we go. Look, it's going to be heading to Chicago. We still going to get a tornado watch. Depends what the tornado watch does. It may go down to Missouri, where St. Louis is. It may be Farmington right down here, right here. So Chicago is going to be getting a little of storms up there, but it may come down to Missouri. Once it hits St. Louis, that's when things start to get crazy. Okay? Alright, we're going to check here and make sure everything is good here. Alright guys, let's take a look. While I zoomed in. Alright guys. There's Missouri. Those clouds will be coming up, down from up there into Missouri. So from Chicago, it will go to Missouri actually. We don't know if it's going up or down. Yes, it is going down to Missouri. So Farmington is down here. Branson about to be somewhere over here maybe. And we're going to make sure everything's going to be okay down here. So let's take a look back up here. We're not going to be taking a look at that. Alright, we're going to read all this right here. Alright, let's take a look here. Read this with me. A short wave it threw over South Central Canada is digging into the northeast. East? I lost my place. Northeast and east central plains this morning. The surface front association with this wave currently stretches western and northeast. Western Kansas, northeast through Nebraska and Minnesota up to a low over central Ohio. to be a tornado watch. We don't know if it's going to be a warning, but we're going to send those out. It's a tornado watch right now. Once it turns red, we'll send the hazards out right now. So St. Louis, remember, St. Louis down here is forming a little rain. Farmington's down here. So, all that, make sure, be careful in those areas, okay? Those are the worst areas of all time. Really bad for you, and strong winds. These winds, you don't want to be outside. If you have a canopy, take them down now. But take a look one more time, St. Louis. All that from Kansas City up to Chicago, few tornado warnings and maybe watches up there. So, make sure you guys watch out for those. Make sure you have your phone hazards on as always. Make sure your phone is on vibration so it can vibrate for you. So, that's going to be it. I'm meteorologist Carson, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe for more bad weather, and peace out, guys.